Welcome back, Chef Brian's Kitchen. It's apple cobbler time. That's right. Okay, it's getting warm where I am, it's getting warm. Summer's coming. This recipe is so unbelievably easy and simple. It's perfect for the beginner cook and you will wow anybody. This is picnic approved. It's pool party approved. It's Father's Day approved. It's just all around summertime approved. So let's get going. Here we go. Again, it's basically two major ingredients, but I'm going to do a little extra just to make sure it's all good. First thing you need is you need an 8x8 square pan. That's what I recommend, all right? Before we even do that, you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. That's the first thing. Then you need a square pan, 8x8, all right? I've got 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. We are going to use 1 can of very apple pie filling, okay? A little bit of cinnamon we'll put on the top. Yellow cake mix. This is where it gets so, just like, we're hacking the system, right? We're beginners. This is what it's all about, but you will not believe how good it's gonna taste. So we use yellow cake mix, all right? So we have that there. We're gonna have some half and half. You can add milk if you want, or half and half. I like to prefer half and half. And we're gonna have 1/2 a cup of half and half. And that is it. So here's, no time like the present, right? So let's get started. So we'll take our apple, open this up. We do not need to grease the bottom of this pan. We're just gonna go ahead and get in all of our apple pie filling. The only thing that's required is to make sure that you pat everything down because you want all the ingredients to get condensed and sink to the bottom. I think I got them all. One little mass, there we go. All right, empty can, there we go, in here. Now we're just gonna spread these around like this. Look at this. Get it all in the corners. Make sure it's evenly dispersed. All right, now we're gonna take our yellow cake mix. Open that up. So, and what we do is pour it right on top. I've seen so many videos that have gone viral because of the simplicity, but also the deliciousness of it. I think this certainly qualifies. This is just really unbelievable. Now, what we're gonna do now, look, we put almost 3/4 of the thing. We're gonna use it all, but I just put 3/4 in. Because what we wanna do here is we want to, like I said, you wanna get it down, okay? And so you wanna pat it down so it gets really condensed with all of the apples. Like that, and then again, just want to get it down. And you can take a spatula and you can kind of press down a little bit too, okay? Just like that. All right. Now, you want to clean off the sides. You don't want to burn those in the oven. Like I said, our oven has been heated to 350 degrees, so that's ready to go. Now we're going to take our half and half, and I have a 1/2 cup of half and half. We'll put that inside of our milk mixture, or butter mixture rather. Mix that all in like that. simple. And here, what we're gonna do is we're just going to pour this on top and let all of this sink in. It's gonna drain itself down real nice. This is the extra moisture we need to give it all that great flavor. And you can, again, take your spatula, kind of just get everything. You don't want to stir it, you just want to, again, this liquid will seep down, okay? So don't worry. All right, and last but not least, I take a little bit of cinnamon, and we'll just put it over the top like this. All righty. Look at that. I'm just going to get a little bit more. I'm going to make sure all of the dried cake mix is getting some of that moisture, okay? So, there we go. Look at that. That's what we want right there. All right. So that's it. That was our prep. Now, this is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees, for 45 minutes. So grab a book, turn on your favorite show, go run to the store for a minute, go get your mail, take out the trash, you know, okay? 45 minutes, set your timer. As you know me, I don't know if you know like me, I just go on my phone and say, Siri, 45 minutes please, and boom, it's gone, okay? Get it in the oven. We're gonna put it in when it comes out. We're gonna show you exactly what it looks like, and of course, we're gonna find out what it tastes like. Be right back. Okay, look at this, right out of the oven. Oh my goodness. If you could smell this, it is just unreal. And I've got a little bit of ice cream. Any ice cream will work. Obviously, I like vanilla. It's perfect for this. You can get whatever flavor you want. Vanilla I recommend. And there you go. Any brand is perfectly fine. So let's do this, right? Let's get in here, get our spoon. Oh my goodness. This looks unbelievable. And I'm going to turn it over. You see how beautiful the crust is here. But now I'm going to turn it over because I want you to see the beautiful apple. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness. I think that's going to be plenty to get us going here. Let me take a little bit of this ice cream. All right, put it on top like that. Oh, my gosh. Ooh. And now, I just want you to look at this. This is basically 2-ingredient, beautiful apple cobbler. You cannot go wrong, and you will impress so many people. Look, if you're a beginner cook, this is what you need to be doing. All right, let's go in here. Look at it, see the ice cream is starting to come in there and melt a little bit. Oh, that's what you want because the heat of that crumble. Look at this. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. It deserves another bite. Stop it. Stop it right now. Are you kidding me? Prep time was what, 10 minutes? In the oven was the longest part, 45 minutes. So within an hour. Take this to your next picnic. When you invite friends over for a picnic or a barbecue, it is going to just blow people away. Listen, if you really want to take your kitchen confidence to the next level, okay, there are a couple ways you can do it. all right? You can try to learn how to cook through a cookbook. It's never gonna happen. Never going to happen. You can scroll through all kinds of millions of recipes, and you're really gonna take a long time to really, and you're gonna get frustrated, you're gonna quit, all right? If you really wanna take your game to the next level, you really need to learn the foundations, the principles, the fundamentals, and from there, you can really advance all of your skills very quickly. We're talking about the difference between 3 weeks to doing really, really unbelievable food to 3 to 4 years. So, and I've got the answer for you, all right? I have created something that is nothing like a cookbook. It's actually very easy to read and understand. It is a blueprint ebook, okay? Cooking Made Simple. Grab your copy. It'll be the best investment you've ever made. It will fast track your learning as a beginner to be able to create stuff like this and so much more with confidence. And that's what it's all about. I'm going to go back in. Ooh, baby. Look at that. I gotta stop. It's just too good. Thanks again for watching. If this information and this recipe has inspired you, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to hear your comments too. Make this. Let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear from you. Okay? Cannot wait to see you on the next video. And until then, remember, as always, eat well and stay healthy.